This is today's project. We're gonna be installing the KW HAS kit on our E90 M3 shop car. So let the first mods begin. So we already took out the shocks. Front shots are out. We're gonna be also installing a set of bigger brakes, 4-piston Brembos. Let me show you on this side. Calipers already in. HAS kit installed. Big brake kit installed as well. Everything. Gonna drop it now to see the height and adjust it if necessary. Yeah, that's good. So here's the end result. Still needs some settling to do, but pretty happy with the fitment. We already had 15mm spacers on this. We're gonna paint the calipers in yellow, the back calipers, to match the front ones. But looks good.